Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the SpongeBob dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we will be able to meet up with Patrick, SpongeBob, and even Squidward. That sounds like Squidward. I'm not a very good voice impressionist, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 sponge blocks. You want to place 5 of them on the ground, guys, just like that. Now you're going to need 4 wet sponges. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your 5 sponge blocks, guys. So go ahead and place 1 of those just like that. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up. And then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sponge blocks, and then 1 wet sponge block on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down. Wow, that was a long jump. Now you just want to go and place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle, guys, and then 1 wet sponge on the edge. And now you can just go ahead after you have done that and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, huge frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the SpongeBob dimension, guys. Hopefully Squidward does not beat us up. I know he just barely learned karate to self-defend himself, but whoa! Oh my god! Right here's Patrick, and he's selling bubbles for 25 cents a piece. Can I get some bubbles, Patrick? No, I don't think he wants to, I don't think he wants to sell me any, guys. And over there's Sandy's house. Wow, that's amazing. She must be running some kind of experiment. But right here's SpongeBob's house. We will head into his house first, guys. And oh my god, I better cover up that hole with some TNT, guys. So that could have been dangerous for somebody. Like, you gotta make stuff like that safer with TNT, guys. But let's go ahead and shut his table down. Whoa, that is awkward. I thought I was just gonna shut straight down, but it just closed like that. Wow, that's pretty strange. Let's go ahead and head on in here, guys. What? That's just a closet. What is this? Oh, this must be the way down to his kitchen. Whoa, he has a nice kitchen, guys. Nice fridge, nice oven, guys, which I can't get into. Wow, this is pretty epic, guys. He has some chairs right here. This is obviously where he wants me and my pig to eat. What are you doing, pig? Oh, my pig wants to look out. Wow, there's actually like water out there. Wow, that's pretty epic right there. Don't you think so, pig? I think they should have put some fishies in there, though. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is the bathroom, guys. Wow. And they make it so tiny that I can't even fit on the toilet. That's crazy. How am I supposed to use it? No, you're not going to use it, pig. If I can't use it, you're not going to use it. Let's go ahead and crack this open. And boom, take that, pig. I just pranked my pig. Oh, my God, he's going to get out of it. Oh, no, he ain't. I thought he was going to be smart and climb up on the oven and keep himself from getting wet. But he's just not that smart. I'm going to go ahead and lock him down there. Let's go ahead and head on up, guys. And, whoa, what is this room? Oh, I thought this might have been the way to his library. But for some reason, it's not. It's a good hiding spot, though. Like, if you was playing hide-and-go-seek in SpongeBob's house, this would be, like, the perfect place to hide, guys. Let's go ahead and look in here now. And, oh, my God! Oh, my God, it's SpongeBob! Oh, my God, I am such a big fan of yours! Wow, I am such a big fan of yours, and I can't wait to try one of your famous Krabby Patties. What's down here, SpongeBob? Is there anything dangerous down there? There's nothing dangerous down there. I don't believe him. For some reason, I don't believe him. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find out. I'm going to see what's down here, guys. Hopefully nothing gets me. This is the library. Oh, my God. This is the library. This is where Gary goes to become smarter. Wow, this is amazing. What's in here, guys? Another hiding spot. They must love to play hide-and-go-seek in this house or something, guys. But wow, I could be like a librarian in here, guys. Like, I could just go ahead and get behind the desk and be like, oh, you didn't return your book? Your punishment's going to be 1 book over the head. And smack him over the head, or maybe just blow him up with some TNT. I'm not really for sure, guys. But let's go ahead and head on back up, guys, and meet back up with SpongeBob. Wow, SpongeBob, absolutely loved your library. But you wanna know what I loved more than your library? Yeah, you guessed it, your roof. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to head up to its roof. Oh my god, why did I not grab onto the ladder? Let's go ahead and try this again, guys. I'm probably just gonna bump my head and not be able to make it. Come on. Oh my god, I did. I knew it. I knew I was just gonna bump my head. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and build my way up with some TNT. I'm just gonna go ahead and build my way up with TNT, guys. So let's go ahead. Oh my god, I still can't get on the ladder. I think the ladder's too small. Let's go ahead and just jump up to it now. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? I'm never going to make it. Oh, I finally did. I finally did. Thank God, guys. Let's go ahead and shut that back. And wow, look at the view from up here. Wow, we can see Squidward's house. We can see Squidward's bald head. We can see where we came from. We can see the gas station. We can see the Krusty Krab. We can see Mr. Krabs' house and Mrs. Krabs' house. And I always thought those kind of looked alike. Like, just one's pink and then one's like iron. That's pretty cool, though. Let's go ahead and light that TNT and watch SpongeBob's house turn fancy. Oh, my God. Boom. Remember the episode where SpongeBob blew up Squidward's house and then it turned fancy and everybody loved it? I think I need to do that. I think I need to do that with Squidward's house. What do you think, SpongeBob? He's excited. He loves his new decorated house. Now it's time to decorate Squidward's house. So I'm going to go ahead and make your house so fancy, Squidward. You're not even going to recognize it. You're not even going to recognize it. So let's go ahead and build some TNT up on this side. Now, we got to put this TNT in the exact right spot, guys, if we're going to make it fancy. So let's go ahead and put some around the back. And you don't want to overdo it. You definitely don't want to overdo the TNT. Ain't that right, Squidward? So I want to go inside his house, if I can ever get inside his house. And I just want to go ahead and I want to place some TNT in here. Wow, he actually has a pretty nice house. Like, this is a really nice house. Let's go ahead and head up the staircase. And this is like his little art room, which he has some really beautiful art, guys. Let's go ahead and place some TNT up in his bedroom where he sleeps. And I watch the sunset every single night and every single day. Let's go ahead and just try to get down the staircase. Oh my god, I can't make it. Alright. There for a minute, I thought I blocked myself in with some TNT. Now we just gotta go ahead and build our way out with the TNT. So we are nowhere close to the explosion. And now I'm running away, Squidward. I'm running away. He can't wait for his house to be fancy. Oh, ow, boom, right goes the nose. Oh, ow. Oh, there's only one eyebrow. There's only one eyebrow standing. But wow, we did make that more fancy. Let me know if I made that more fancy down in the comment section below. I think I made that super fancy. That could be on Fancy Fancy's TV. Ain't that right, Patrick? Patrick loves it. SpongeBob loves it. And I think once Squidward comes back from his, blast vacation, he's going to love it too, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this Minecraft video, which I know you did, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!